how to use the left function in Excel. So all you have to do is just start off with a string of some sort, so just like a word or a sentence. So I'm going to start off with just the word fun. And then what you want to do is determine how many characters starting from the left to the right that you want to cut out of there. So for myself, I want to cut out FU. So I'm going to type 2. And then I'm going to create my function here. So we're going to just do equals and then type left. Double click on that. And then, of course, first we're going to select our text. And then from there, comma. And then the number of characters starting from the left that you want to select. We'll use by selecting our second cell, which already has that number determined. Cut that out with the parentheses. And then, boom. So we have fun, but with 2 characters starting from the left, just FU. If we change this to 1, it should just be F as it is. And that is how you use the left function in Excel.